The future of luxury pickup trucks has arrived, and it's all electric. Meet the 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali, a symbol of American strength redefined for a zero-emission world. With cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping power, and the unmistakable Denali prestige, this truck isn't just built to perform, it's built to lead the electric revolution. Let's explore what makes the Sierra EV Denali the ultimate fusion of capability and sophistication.
The 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali is more than a design statement. It's a visual declaration of power, precision, and progress. Every angle, every line, and every surface has been reimagined to express what a true next-generation electric truck should look like. At first glance, it commands attention through its sheer presence, wide, muscular, and confident. Yet beneath that boldness lies a sculpted elegance that hints at advanced aerodynamics and future-forward engineering. The front fascia sets the tone for the Sierra EV Denali's electric identity. Instead of a traditional open grille, GMC introduces a closed, illuminated front panel that not only enhances aerodynamics, but also adds a distinctive signature lighting effect. The glowing GMC logo and full-width LED light bar project sophistication and futuristic appeal. These design cues don't just look beautiful, they communicate intelligence and strength, telling the world this is no ordinary pickup. The truck's stance is unmistakably commanding. The long, chiseled hood flows seamlessly into broad shoulders and flared wheel arches housing massive 24-inch machined aluminum wheels. The proportions have been optimized to balance aerodynamics with rugged utility. The body panels carry a subtle muscular tension, a perfect blend of toughness and modern refinement. Every contour serves a purpose: to slice through the air efficiently, reduce drag, and improve range without compromising its robust character. The Denali exclusive chrome detailing adds an unmistakable touch of luxury. Satin metal accents on the grille surround, mirror caps, and window trim highlight its premium DNA. From the sculpted door handles to the brushed aluminum roof rails, everything feels deliberate and crafted with precision. The multi-dimensional LED headlights, sleek, narrow, and adaptive, illuminate the road with crystal clarity, automatically adjusting to surroundings for maximum visibility and minimal glare. Moving toward the rear, the design remains cohesive and functional. The tailgate area is dominated by GMC's signature Multi-Pro tailgate, which offers 6 unique configurations for loading, standing workstations, and extended cargo capacity. Combined with the midgate system, it transforms the Sierra EV Denali into a class-leading cargo platform. With the rear seats folded and the midgate open, the bed length extends up to nearly 10 feet 10 inches, a feature unmatched by any other electric pickup in its class. Adding to its versatility is the Air Ride adaptive suspension, which can raise or lower the truck by approximately 2 inches. This allows for easier entry and exit in urban environments, improved aerodynamics on highways, and greater clearance during off-road adventures. The wheel wells are clad with durable composite material, protecting against debris while maintaining a clean, premium look. Even the charging port has been designed with sophistication, elegantly integrated into the front fender with LED indicators that communicate charge levels in a visual, high-tech pattern. At night, the Sierra EV Denali transforms into a glowing sculpture of precision, with ambient perimeter lighting accentuating its strong architectural form. From the front grille to the tailgate, every element of the Sierra EV Denali speaks of confidence, luxury, and innovation. It's not just an electric truck, it's a rolling symbol of how GMC has redefined modern power. It represents the perfect fusion of rugged American craftsmanship and future-forward design thinking, a balance few manufacturers dare to attempt, and even fewer master as gracefully as GMC has with the Sierra EV Denali. Stepping inside the 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali is like entering a sanctuary of technology and refinement, a place where rugged truck heritage meets the sophistication of modern luxury. The moment you open the door, you're greeted by a cabin designed to impress the senses, visually stunning, meticulously crafted, and loaded with cutting-edge technology that transforms every journey into an experience of comfort and control. The first thing that draws your attention is the massive 16.8-inch vertical touchscreen positioned at the heart of the dashboard. Floating elegantly in a piano black frame, it serves as the digital command center for nearly every aspect of the truck. Its interface is smooth, intuitive, and powered by GM's next-generation infotainment system, offering seamless navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. Complementing it is an 11-inch digital driver display and a color head-up display, providing critical information like speed, range, and navigation right in your line of sight. The Sierra EV Denali's interior materials embody premium craftsmanship. Denali-exclusive open-pore wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and full-grain leather upholstery create an atmosphere that rivals high-end luxury sedans. Every stitch and contour has been executed with precision, emphasizing GMC's commitment to comfort and style. The Denali logo, subtly embossed on the headrests and dashboard, reminds you that this is the pinnacle of GMC's design philosophy. Comfort in the Sierra EV Denali goes beyond seating. It's an experience designed for every occupant. The front seats are heated, ventilated, and equipped with multi-mode massage functions, ensuring that long drives remain fatigue-free. The rear seats offer generous legroom, heated cushions, and a panoramic view through the full-length fixed-glass roof, which fills the cabin with natural light by day and starlit serenity by night. Noise insulation in the Sierra EV Denali is world-class. Thanks to the absence of a combustion engine and extensive use of sound-dampening materials, the cabin remains whisper-quiet even at highway speeds. GMC's engineers have tuned the acoustic profile so that only a refined hum from the electric motors and the high-fidelity sounds of the Bose Centerpoint surround audio system reach your ears. With 14 precisely placed speakers, this system transforms the cabin into a moving concert hall. Storage and practicality have not been sacrificed in the pursuit of luxury. The truck's flat-floor architecture, made possible by the Ultium battery platform, allows for a spacious center console with modular compartments, perfect for laptops, devices, or even small bags. The rear also includes clever under-seat storage options, USB-C charging ports, and wireless phone charging pads for every passenger. Ambient lighting sets the mood throughout the cabin, with customizable hues illuminating the dashboard, doors, and footwells. Whether you prefer a cool blue for night drives or a warm amber for relaxation, the Sierra EV Denali adapts to your preferences. Every inch of this interior is built with one mission: to elevate the driving experience beyond the ordinary. It's not just a truck cabin, it's a luxury suite on wheels, where technology, elegance, and comfort coexist seamlessly. The 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali proves that electric doesn't mean compromise, it means evolution. It's where power meets peace and innovation meets indulgence. The 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali is not just a luxury pickup. It's a technological powerhouse that redefines what performance means in an all-electric world. Built on GM's cutting-edge Ultium platform, this truck delivers a driving experience that's both thrilling and refined, combining instant electric torque with the strength and endurance expected from a full-size Sierra. It doesn't simply move, it commands the road with quiet confidence and effortless might. At its heart lies a dual-motor E4WD system, one motor driving the front axle and the other powering the rear. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 754 horsepower and 785 pound-feet of torque in max power mode. This setup transforms the Sierra EV Denali from a heavy-duty hauler into a high-performance electric beast, capable of launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds. That's sports car acceleration wrapped in the body of a luxury truck, a true testament to the capabilities of electric propulsion. The Sierra EV Denali's 800-volt electrical architecture allows for ultra-fast DC charging
reaching up to 350 kilowatts. Under optimal conditions, you can add approximately 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes, a remarkable feat that ensures long trips remain uninterrupted and efficient. Depending on the configuration, the Denali Edition 1 offers an impressive GM estimated range of up to 460 miles, setting a new standard among electric trucks. For those who demand range, performance, and luxury in one package, this is the gold standard. Yet power alone doesn't define the Sierra EV Denali. Its air ride adaptive suspension and four-wheel steering system transform the driving experience. The suspension can raise or lower the truck by about 2 inches, improving comfort, aerodynamics, or off-road clearance when needed. The crab walk feature, inherited from the Hummer EV, enables diagonal movement at low speeds, perfect for tight spaces or uneven terrain. These systems work in harmony to make a large truck feel remarkably agile and composed, whether navigating city streets or rugged trails. The E4WD system continuously monitors traction and torque distribution between the axles, providing precise control in all conditions, from slick pavement to muddy roads. Add to that one-pedal driving and regenerative braking, which convert kinetic energy back into stored power while reducing brake wear. The result is not just smooth deceleration, but also increased efficiency, allowing you to extract every possible mile from the battery. Towing capability remains strong, up to 10,500 pounds, proving that electrification doesn't mean sacrificing utility. Whether you're hauling a trailer, towing heavy equipment, or transporting recreational gear, the Sierra EV Denali delivers torque on demand with absolute stability and confidence. Its low center of gravity, courtesy of the battery pack placement, enhances balance and reduces body roll during cornering or heavy towing. What truly sets this truck apart is the seamless blend of brute strength and refined control. The instantaneous torque gives it authority, while its quiet operation and vibration-free cabin elevate the experience beyond traditional trucks. It's raw power without the roar, sophistication without compromise.
The 2025 GMC Sierra EV Denali stands as a bold statement. The future of luxury trucks is electric, powerful, and uncompromising. It merges cutting-edge innovation with iconic GMC craftsmanship, offering a driving experience that's both intelligent and inspiring. From its breathtaking exterior design to its first-class interior and commanding performance, the Sierra EV Denali sets a new benchmark for what an EV pickup can be. It's not just about going green, it's about going grand. For those who demand strength with sophistication, power with purpose, and technology with timeless design, the GMC Sierra EV Denali is the ultimate answer.